Welcome to the CarbConnect Admin Panel tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through how to manage users in your organization. We are starting on the Users page, where you can see a list of all the current and invited team members. To add a new user to your organization, start by clicking the Invite User button in the top right corner. A side panel will appear. In the email address field, enter the email of the person you want to invite. After typing the email, press Enter. The address will be added to the invitations list below. You can add multiple emails to invite several members at once. Once you're ready, click the Invite Members button. You will see a success notification at the bottom of the screen. The new user now appears in the main list with a pending status, indicating that the invitation has been sent but not yet accepted. Let's invite one more user to show how to manage pending invitations. We'll follow the same process. Click Invite User, enter the new email address, and send the invitation. The newly invited user now also appears in the list. If an invitation was sent by mistake or needs to be revoked, you can also simply click the Cancel Invitation button next to their email. The invitation is immediately cancelled, and the user is removed from your list. You will see a confirmation message appear. Finally, let's review how to remove an active member from your organization. Find the user you wish to remove from the list and click the red Delete button. A confirmation pop-up will appear to ensure you don't remove someone by accident. Please note that this action cannot be undone. To confirm, click the Remove button. The user has now been successfully removed from your organization. And that's how you can easily manage your team in CarbConnect Admin Panel. Thank you for watching.